Let's make this simple pizza. It is very yummy and delicious. You will love it. So I'm going to use the green bell pepper, onion, and then parsley as my vegetables. With the protein, I'll be using sausages. You can use any vegetable of your choice, and then also you can use any protein of your choice. Mind you, this is a simple breakfast on the go. You can make it anytime, anywhere. You just have to prep all the vegetables, and then you prep all the proteins that you are going to use. It is very simple. We are not going to use an oven. We are going to just use fire from the stove. So if you have a stove or any source of fire, it is very simple to use. If you don't have an oven, also with our pizza sauce, we are just going to use a ketchup, and that is what we are going to use to do our pizza. If you have watched up to this point, kindly subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Hit on the notification button if you don't want to miss out on my subsequent posts. So here we are adding our ketchup, and make sure you spread it on top of the bread. We add some cheese. Make sure you use the mozzarella cheese. That is best for the pizza. Then we add our toppings. That is the sausage. We are going to fill it with some onions. We then add the parsley. Then nicely we arrange our bell pepper on it. Depending on the size of your bread, you can put as many as you can. And then you will sprinkle some oregano on it. Then finally we top it with extra cheese. Extra cheese. Repeat this process for all the others. And then now we are going to bake this in our frying pan on the stove. Make sure you preheat the pan before you place them in. And then also make sure that you are going to bake this on a very low heat. In less than 5 minutes, your pizza should be ready. You can serve this with Coke or a juice of your choice.